Oh man.
Bit. I'm just going to get behind the shoulder blade here. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Very nice. Let's bring these arms a little bit forward. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Good. And one more time for me. All the way out. Good. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Good. How'd that feel?
Oh, feels good.
Nice deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh.
Very nice.
Yeah, that's a
Good one, huh?
Yeah.
Go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out. One more time, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Point your toes down for me.
Oh.
Very good.
Oh man.
How'd that feel?
Refreshing.
You get a good release on that?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh
Awesome.
man.
All right, just relax it for me. Same thing here, okay? Just relax it for me. Very good. Just relax the knee. Relax the knee. Nice. Head right into my hand. Just relax that shoulder there for me. And give me good full control here. Just relax it, drop it to the left, drop it.
Oh.
Good release there. How'd that feel?
Oh. Crazy. Crazy.
Gets better every time. Huh?
I know, man.
Now towards me. Just relax it there. Now just drop it towards the right, drop it.